Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix slow file copy speeds in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing slow file copy speeds on your Windows 11 computer, there are a few potential solutions you can try. While hardware configuration is often the primary cause, software adjustments can sometimes provide a noticeable improvement. First, ensure your USB drivers are up to date. To do this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Scroll down until you find Universal Serial Bus Controllers, then expand this section. Right-click on each USB root hub driver and select the option to update driver. Repeat this process for all USB root hub entries. Next, it is essential to keep your Windows operating system updated. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab and install any available updates. This can often include important driver updates that might resolve performance issues. Finally, you can perform a System File Checker scan to check for and repair corrupted system files. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.